also before I forget, guys, obviously we've got the new stickers. You can't really tell. It's basically a outdoor sticker, and it's in the it's a mirror finish, but it's got a hologram sort of look to it, so the multicolour. They're on the website as well, so check it out. They are 10 centimetre by 10 centimetre, so you can kind of gauge what it would look like on the car. Yeah, check them out, and that's them. Right, folks, been wondering how we're getting on with Gregor's car, so here's the first test ride. Supercharged on, but we're running the BIPES method, so it's only on a fuel pressure regulator, where we're going to go for a bit of a rip just to see what it's like. Didn't know they had Volvo Amazons in Mexico. Oh, it definitely picks up better than an MX5 does. They're better than standard MX5. Exactly, yeah.
Deep.
And shout out to Alistair, because you wanted to see the supercharger and everything on, and whether we'd done the work on it. Yes, we have.
Of course we have.
There she is on the mount. As you can see, it's a little bit different to the other one I made, but these are the existing ones that I had already had running. The TDR clone Trackdog Racing GFB dev version of the tensioner, and then you got Pube Chin.
Pube Chin. Silenced. Gordon's alive!
He's just trying to get the alternator cable out. Done it?
No.
Oh. Right, well, we'll come back to that once he's got it off. Turbo. How to boost leak test your car.
Like that?
Yep, just like that. That should be about 4 psi, mate. Yeah, so you just put in, all it's doing is it's a piece of pipe, because the boost leak tester, as you can see down there near his arm, has to fit on that pipe. So you just put a piece of pipe on so you can fit the boost leak tester on. Hoink it down. Right, it's obviously now clamping down the boost leak tester. You can make these pretty cheap, to be honest. You need a puck and a piece of hose. But for 30 quid, you just buy one. Came with the clamps as well. And what you ideally want when you pump it up, put it to about 5 psi, and you want it to slowly, it's going to slowly decrease in pressure, but slowly decrease down. Usually about 30 seconds, something like that, to wean down. I'll show you the boost leak tester. There. And it's just got a standard valve on the side. So you put the valve on, and there you go, go on then. Up to 5. Yeah, so you can hear it. We've got a leak, and it's this, which we knew anyway, because if I cap that, that's what you want it to be doing. Slowly going down.
Still leaking from that end too.
Yeah, so that's the culprit, which he knows he's got to order a new one anyway.
We tried it earlier.
And there you go. Boost leak testing 101. Simple as that. Twat.
Shouldn't mess.
That sounds fucking mental.